Last trading day of the year. This year has been it's been a good year. It's been a good year. I ain't gonna complain not one bit. But I do have AMD calls loaded. I'm following Mike on this trade, so I'm thinking he is anticipating a break above 216. I'm looking at SPY as well. I know Brett loaded his SPY calls, but I wanted to see a break, like a breaking hold above 687 or a pull back into 686. So I'm thinking we getting that pullback now to 686. Man. Let's see, I'm just watching right now. Let me go ahead and delete this. I know he said he's gonna load the Tesla puts. I forgot exactly what I said today, but I'm pretty sure I did say something about puts on Palantir. I forgot what direction. But yeah, Palantir. TSM. I did not take TSM. TSM is now. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, cool. It's bringing me to this because why did they alert me?
Big reversal so far on SPY, so good patience. Good reversal on NVIDIA, Amazon.
So I guess
I wanted to see SPY back above 680, 650 for longs. But right now, can't long here. Otherwise, we're going to sell at that 685 on SPY, which I would look for longs there. 685.50, 685.
Let me delete it and then let me redo it. It can be either this level or it could be this, the all-time highs on this. 119.38. We'll see. And VRT. I mean, it's still above that level, but it's, boy, ooh-wee. I feel like it's just gonna have some volatility.
Food boy level, 686.
It's gonna have some volatility at this, above this level. Something crazy. Something crazy may happen. Cause I see it's above this 516. I'm steady watching this. Is this off the daily? I need to make sure this off. It's off the 1 week. I'll put this off the 15. Only reason I'm doing this, I'm just trying to see something, right? Because I guess if I do the daily, it's gonna alert me after the close, if that makes sense. So I'm just trying to see something. Cool. TSM. TSM is going up. Just arrived at the 8 EMA. Just about. Pull back.
Did you say that? No, I just saw that Zoom chat there. It's just funny. I started to reverse here. And the 686s. Yes, I'm also going to load Tesla 460 calls. Both puts and calls loaded. 460 calls weekly.
That nigga Soleimani said, "What is a meme?" I'm watching QQQ tape. I see it's at a level I have.
I see SPY here bouncing, but I don't trust it right now because I don't see betas moving with it. Nvidia still looks heavy, Amazon heavy, Apple heavy, so I just want to be patient for a second. I still have the same calls loaded up. I'm still watching longs, guys.
What in the world? Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at Microsoft. I haven't traded Microsoft in quite some time. It's been a minute since I traded Microsoft. Holy. This was just at 667 pre-market. Now it's back at pre-market where it started at. Well, below where it started at now. Golly. That's how the stocks move. Amazon. Look like some retest action.
Actually, pretty crazy volume today. You guys see this?
Wow, look at Amazon.
Yeah, I can just see it under bouncing.
Netflix off that level that I have. Wow, look at that first candle wick. What the heck? AVGO, Broadcom. This hyperscaler, whatever you want to call this, Google is insane. Google is insane.
I'm the same too.
I know what I'm about to trade.
See if you can
That's
trade.
what I'm about to trade today. How y'all feeling? Real ones no. Real ones no. Golly. Where's the entry?
Choose reverse 513 market move. This is where I have a long spot here. Yeah.
I'm not mad at it. I think if anything, I'm gonna load both Qs and I'm gonna load both a spy. I'm 0 days.
Very heavy though. I want to wait for the proper entry, but for now there's just no sign of buying. So 685 though is my spot though. 685 is my spot. I don't need to bottom take it. I just have to look for some sort of reversion.
All right, but I have both ETFs loaded, so if AMD can reclaim that level, that'd be cool. But how this looking, I'm thinking QQQ gonna go to pre-market low. Look at the video.
You know what's crazy though? The 686 calls that I loaded didn't even move much to the downside. It's still pretty expensive. Maybe they're just pricing in a lot of volatility today.
Yo, if anybody sent a New Year's resolution, one goal at a time, one day at a time. I don't have a New Year's resolution. I have just an ultimate goal. I just have, I ain't gonna say one goal, but that one goal gonna come. Yo, shut up, nigga. That one goal gonna come with a lot, if that makes sense. So, yeah. But I ain't too big on New Year's resolution or whatnot. Gym finna be packed. Church finna be packed. The Messier finna be packed. Shit, what else? All that. But yeah, that's my take on it. Let me start yapping.
I'm filled on longs. I'm using this candle low stop.
I would just, I ain't gonna say I mean, I seen the buying up, but what is? Let me see something.
That's 13%. Taking a trend.
Oh, he in AMD already? What the?
This breaks 217. The contracts will fly. Let's see.
This is where I want to get. I like AMD. Let's see. Since he in already. I just brought the contract. I didn't even look to see how much the contract was. I'm in on AMD. I'm up 6% right now. 9%.
20%?
13%.
25%, guys. I'm gonna take more trumps here.
I'm up 15 right now.
Nice on AMD. Wow, big move.
100 more or not?
If we get another candle like that, it's over.
I'm taking a trump here at 8%, guys. Moving my stop to break even. It just has to keep going.
Guys, I'm taking a trim here on SPY at 9%. I just took a piece off at 9%. It's not much, but we're up $12 per contract, $13 per contract. I know it's not a lot, but contracts aren't really moving that much. Stops can be moved now to, I'll use like a 4% loss on runners.
AMD has to take out 217 for more. I'm just gonna use a trail stop at 3.20 on the contracts.
Guys, I'm fully out of Tesla green here. Not on us.
The most I'm losing on it is
One more
5%.
candle, and if there's a chance of re-entry, I'll signal it, okay?
The most I'm losing on this is
One minute, just
5%.
go there.
I don't care what happens after that 5%. Because I was just up 15, I'm near break even.
We are being conservative, but last trading session of the year, so.
I'm still green here, guys.
I'm green,
8%
that green,
still.
that green.
62
9%.
bucks per con here. That's 10%, guys.
I think this can go.
Feel free to take trims. Make sure.
I think this can go.
Wow, look at that candle. 28% now.
217.50. 217.50. 16%.
11% now. Just needs to push here.
Contracts are moving like 0 days.
Guys, I'm taking
I sold
a
at
second
21%.
at 14%.
That's the trade. That's the trade of the week. That's my trade of
And
the
then
week.
three more AMD here at 30.
Yo, bro, that's my trade of the week, bro. That's insane. That's insane.
That's 18%
insane.
guys on SPY.
Listen, right? Listen, right?
Got his
Listen, right? Listen, just listen. Just listen. Listen, Londa, listen. Whatever how the kids say that name. I seen this. I was on. What was I talking about? New Year's resolution, right? I seen this, right? And then I seen the buying up of this, and I just thought how they trade, and I thought how I would perceive it, how I would look at it, right? Then I unmuted, and I heard I'm in these, I'm in this, I'm in that, right? Cool, right? Perfect, that's fine. Boom. Then I heard Mike up 13%. I say 13%? This nigga AMD already? 13%? I scroll down to AMD. This shit all in the video. Scroll down to AMD. I already have AMD calls loaded. Because I've been said, even before he got filled, I've been said I like AMD because of this pattern. These three candles. This what is this? This doji candle. When it presents these three candles, I love it. And then it had this nice bullish candle out of this. I loved it for a fact, right? Boom, right? That's what gave me the conviction to go long. If anything. And To be honest, I didn't even look to see what price or what is this called? What strike I was getting these cons at, right? These contracts. I didn't even know what strike price I was getting these contracts at. But these contracts went up more than when I had added them, if that makes sense. Which is insane. I ain't even gonna lie. And shit. I did not mean to curse. And shoot. On to the next trade. On to the next trade. But that was crazy.
Guys, I just took some more trims here at 23%.
My nigga Brett taking trims.
And now I'm not a
Jeez.
majority. I'm just gonna use.
Look at.
Now I'm gonna raise my stop again.
Nah,
Use
it
the
didn't
60
go.
stop loss.
It didn't go for real. But that's
62 stop loss. Still hold some runners though.
that's crazy. That's crazy. And I was technically in risk management. Let me see because it's on my phone. The price I got.
217 actually holding on AMD.
What?
I can't believe those contracts move that much. My
Yes,
God.
I was.
Because the market's closed tomorrow, so they're moving like 1 day.
Yeah. Yeah.
I also got a kind of an early entry.
It is. I ain't gonna say it's crazy, but it just 1%, bro. 1 day at a time. Just keep going. That's what I'm telling myself. That's That's it just me speaking out loud to myself. It's 1 day at a time. Keep going, bro. This shit it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. I almost don't even want to take another trade. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
16. I sold the rest of my contracts here and agreed.
Yeah, that contract not. I mean that candle not playing. I guess spot look at QQQ. QQQ wick straight off view out. Interesting. Mike got 34% off AMD.
I want to see if a swing low can develop. If not, I'll stop out. 685.90. I'll use 685.90 as trail stop. I'll give it 10 cents below my stop.
I'm not mad at that, Brett.
Then I'm switching to a Tesla puts here.
Tesla
Over
put
50 puts on Tesla. I got filled on Tesla, guys. Just use the candle higher stop. My average is 441. Let us see.
Holy shit. Look at that candle.
Tesla highs. I don't know what, bro.
Guys, just be mindful. It's crazy action across the board.
Wait, what is this?
Good exit on AMD.
Wow, Netflix is back tradable.
Guys, I'm just actually selling green here on Tesla. I don't like this tape at all. Like, I don't know what it is. There's some irregular prints coming in. I'm just taking a safe green exit here, okay? I'm just gonna wait for the next 10 minutes before taking a trade. Maybe it's low volume, but there's like weird action happening in the table. So last session here.
But I don't even think I paused this video not one time.
Today, right?
It's 24 minutes.
It's because of like it's just computer trading, so it's weird. It's a weird prints here. Just be careful then, okay? I'll actually stay away from that block because it's getting big trades now. We'll go either way. There's either going to be a big squeeze or a big down. One of it's coming on Tesla. Just keep an eye, and if it does break momentum space, we can take it to the. I just don't want to get caught in now.
I seen the video.
Defining moment. I should have just shot at my tower.
Like it looks like Nvidia
So
is
vibrant?
defending its level.
I'm still in. Yeah.
188.
Sold majority, but my contracts are up. Are a little bit in the green here. In normal conditions, we would develop a swing low here and rip.
Yeah.
But you look at AMD. It's not
So
really giving.
crazy reversal.
It's not really telling me this is going. The SPY looks like it's going to swing low. But you look at
And this is previous day highs and lows right here that y'all seeing. I didn't even update this. Yes, I am telling myself.
65.50. I got long.
I didn't even update this.
I know they were on there.
Not previous day, but this day.
Still long right now. I have a trail stop right down below. This is where the swing low has to form.
What this pre-market?
Is that the Fib boys? Yeah.
No, not the Fib boys, Ralph. Fib boys got good. Fib
But
boys
it's back.
Fib boys long at 686 today. I saw them. They were longing. I actually drew a fib. I actually have a fib up. Look at my chart. You see?
Oh,
I saw where they went long. They went long right over there.
I think that's gonna turn into resistance.
They may screw you, Ralph.
Not that it's going to think that it's like.
No. I'm with you. Alright, I'm about to get stopped out of here. 685.80. Let's get hold here.
Next 10 minutes will be the key for the market. I'm not following Apple short stays. I just don't know right now. There's a few. We got a few good green trades, so this is like wait. It's just a regular weird ass action.
It is very regular action.
What the?
I think they're gonna
What the heck?
If my rate on switch, I think they're gonna drop. But
Yo, bro.
that's it.
I'm out here exposing myself.
Just like cubes. Some irregularity.
The fact that AMD did that reversal it could be a short now, but I'm not gonna touch it.
Guys, I fully sold my SPY in the green. Up 2%. I fully sold in the green. That was my trail stop.
Maybe 684. And then reversal. I don't know. I don't want to touch any. The only thing I like was the fly and then they tried to make it a short. Now they're reversing. I don't know. Let's wait. If we got it, something so more than what I thought we were doing today, to be honest.
I still think SPY is going to swing low, and this is where I would expect it to be, but I just don't want to risk anything more. So I got an exit, but it's still a good trade that we still are up like 24% on that. So hopefully you guys took trims. Honestly, the condos didn't move that much. To be fair, I think they're pricing a lot of volatility. Normally, like if you get a long at 685.40, 685.50, you get a full delta with one delta like that, one huge candle, it should be like.
Bro, I just realized, bro, why is my phone going to 100? I could have sworn I had a
I
cat.
think better than that. I think they're fine. Let's just wait and see how this plays out. 10 minutes still long.
Now I'm looking at it on SPY. I'm looking at SPY. I'm thinking that's a lower high.
That AMD candle was pretty gnarly. Imagine you long.
Yeah.
Imagine you like waited for 216.50 to break and then went long.
I wouldn't.
I like the early entry on it. AMD is like that. You kind of have to get the early entry, otherwise it just rips on. You know.
Nice job, Devin. Good work, man.
It looks like short. If it breaks this slow, I think it's gonna sell quite a bit. What is the next level? I have 634, 683.50. Oh, okay.
Dangerous.
Next candle was long 1 minute ago. I think they're just gonna do it here, to be honest. They have to decide in the next 5 minutes.
I think for me personally, I still think it's developing that swing low. I think it's gonna.
It could. It's a win-win. But right now they're not showing any signs of it. They just, it seems weak.
It was enough.
It's been good on SPY since the open. I've been shocked.
Yeah.
It's just
Golly.
These next 10 minutes, I don't want to take any trade. Let's put it that way. Next 5 minutes, I want to see what happens, who loses.
I'm not long though, guys. So I'm literally just watching. We made our.
I don't have any positions either, guys.
We made our
I
money.
mean, I have one position since the open, but that's like a trade now.
This figured this way, even though I'm still saying swing low forms. These two red candles in a row were enough to get me out of my longs. So I may be wrong about it. That's why I took my exits.
It might be out.
What does I think that 687? I think this is 690 today.
Yeah.
I don't know. There might be appetite today. You know, it's New Year's Eve. There's actually some decent action.
New Year's Eve.
I think we get a lot. I look at honestly at
I
open.
think now if AMD takes 217, it could really rip. After they printed that red candle.
We have to go back to our end of year predictions, right? Didn't we have end of year predictions? See how
No, we did.
see how wrong we are about our end of year predictions. Or see how right we are. I don't know.
We gotta find that.
Not sure at all about longs. I just. Okay, yeah. Is there data or something? Or maybe that's right. Do we have something?
Just like oil did at 10:30.
Okay.
Wager for Indian food. I have it in my notes.
Who predicted what?
We predicted what the price of Nvidia would be at the end of the year.
Okay.
Price at 200, right?
So well, this was pre-split. So what's the price of Nvidia right now?
More than 1,000.
188. So we have to multiply that by 10.
1880.
1880. Brad said 950. Rob said 600. I said 800. Brad was closest.
Yeah, I can just fuck off while I leave.
800, 600.
I said what did I say the video stock price would be?
You said 950.
Which would be what correlated to his split?
95.
95. Oh, that's pretty close.
Alright, so Rav loading his spot puts.
It was low, I think, but
And shoot, I'm gonna follow. Oh, I'm
I
on the
think you
wrong
just made a
side.
move, Rev. You just told the dump.
I've been shocked since the open. I have a position. Tesla also, look at that thing. The tape is really not exploring the tape. I'm surprised you guys are like doing call it at the open. Good, but it's like nothing in the tape.
I mean, it worked.
Yeah, it worked, that's what I'm saying. These contracts are moving.
Are they moving? What, you have 0 day or you 1 day?
I have 0 days, but this also moved 10% on that little candle. The 1 days.
I noticed the 1 days weren't moving that much, but it might just be maybe just the call side. Maybe the call sides aren't moving too much.
Well, like, say the Tesla broke that low. Yes, I guess it's fine. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. Let's wait. 685 breaks, 684 maybe there's a reversal play or something. Because I don't see.
Apple is holding. And chips are holding.
I'm mostly focused on longs today. If we can get that break under 685, then we
It
can.
was happened already. 687 to 685. It just needs low free flow. It's not doing it right now. Even on that low of day break, I expected.
Only green name is NVIDIA. NVIDIA, AMD. I know what I'm missing.
Technically, there's not really a
The
swing
AI
low.
story
It's not
and
a swing
really
low.
the
It's
economy.
just the bottom end. It's not like
I know I was missing something.
They break the low, yeah, they did break the low, but they didn't. You can see that when the low broke, nothing happened. You just look at Tesla also. Tesla's looking back. That's a sign. Tesla 453 break should have given us at least 451. That didn't happen. I think the chance soon. Maybe long side will see. Not want to see the climb the first.
Volunteers holding well today.
Holy.
Okay, we have Friday session, right? Friday market still there, right?
Friday, yes. Market.
I will be trading Friday.
It's officially the first trading session of 2026.
That's crazy. 2026. That's wild. I just know. Just like this year, it's gonna be like new stuff, new whatever. Just gonna be another. Just stay focused. Another stay focused year. Another year to produce good returns, good
Don't ask me
outcomes.
about Meta.
Just stay focused.
Long term.
That's it.
Long term, yeah. I actually want to get Meta long term, but not here. Not here. Meta probably in the 550s. I'd be a buyer. Meta in the 550s, 540s, 530s.
I'm looking at TSM 3, that 307 level.
Super important.
Look like a put. I want to see what happens after this red candle.
Because I'm gonna load the same contracts that I had before.
You get back at AFD. I'm not mad at it.
Guys, I'm getting the same calls on Tesla loaded, guys. 460 calls, okay? I bet Tesla they want to move on Friday, to be being honest, because they're laying the traps today. But let's see if we can get an entry.
I gotta make this phone call right quick.
Oh my god, this is crazy. Yeah. This is, I want to see what happens in this candle. This is 2 minutes 50 seconds to go. Like I'm also. Thank you. Yeah. 684 maybe it's fine. That will be a trigger, maybe $1, $1 under.
Look at this pattern, this H pattern on QQQ.
Brad, you were asking about New Year's last year. I looked back at the chart. It was also a salt day.
Interesting.
A what day? A salt day?
But I saw something that said the Santa rally has only ever been red 2 years in a row. But it's looking like, unless next week is bullish. I mean, not next week, but like.
I'll be right back. I'm looking at this, bro.
Keep the Tesla loaded though. I don't like it if it takes you. Kind of holding.
Yeah.
I'm really just watching right now. I'm looking at TSM. I'm thinking TSM for a put. But yeah.
Like this is a crazy. We're sustaining such high volume.
Give some talk, people talk. Not doing it. I see my target. I see them. Same level.
Amazing. Boy, this bottle is cold.
Check that out.
I'm tempted to go long here and try again. This is,
Great minds think alike.
a little bit sub 685 though, on closure, but I mean, technically this is the long.
Well, that smell pretty
this
good.
Is the long one stuff for me. Let's be patient though.
Another one.
Crazy right now. I wanted the 685, but I wanted a real fucking 685.
That smells
I really
amazing.
People going short. And then but this is still beautiful.
This feel like a real OG video, bro. Like, this video's on my channel that's down there an hour long.
Actually, I think that we're gonna
Insane.
get that. I think we'll still get the breakout.
And this bad boy.
Because look at the video still looks heavy. We're gonna time right in the first trade, so let's just be patient if we take any more trades.
W.
It's interesting that you just look at SPY there, and then SPY looked like a beautiful long at that exact moment.
W,
Right? Just
W,
like that.
W.
But then you look at any beta name.
All across the board.
So it's
Thank
like
you,
a
God.
little right.
Thank you,
The video
God.
still looks like it wants to sell.
Packaging on it is crazy.
Meta 660 route, I'm surprised you didn't trade Meta today.
Like to play with that with momentum. I don't like this kind of. And this is penny. Not good.
Mike, look at
That's
Amazon.
what I like. Again, I don't want to keep it down. It's just hard right now. The supply is still holding it low.
Wow, look at Amazon, Brett. Amazon is doing a
They
wonderful.
look good, right?
Look at Amazon.
Dead. Nothing.
Just that.
Amazon doing something stupid.
Volume on Amazon is actually lackluster.
Mike, did you go outside?
Yeah, what?
No, see how cold it is.
Oh yeah, brutal.
How cold is it in Chicago?
I think it's supposed to snow again today.
Yo.
Pick up my car.
All right, this is this the end of the video. On to another year. Shout out to the men upstairs. On the trade I took today, AMD. Shout out AMD. I'll be back on here come Friday. Straight like that. Lee.